NCERT solutions at your fingertips. Today we are going to do question answers of chapter 6 Changes Around Us, class 6th Science. Main points of the chapter. Change is the law of nature. There are so many changes taking place around us every day, such as the changes in weather, melting of ice, burning of wood, souring of milk, ripening of fruits, stretching of rubber band, melting of wax, etc. Changes observed around us can be classified as reversible changes, irreversible changes. Reversible changes. The changes in which we get back the original substance by changing the conditions is called reversible changes. In this change, there will be a change in the look and feel of the substance, but it does not form any new substance during or after the change. Examples of reversible changes are melting of ice, stretching of a rubber band, wet clothes to dry clothes. Irreversible changes. Irreversible changes are the changes in which we cannot get back the original substance. Such changes form new substance during or after the change. Thus, the properties of the substance change and the change is permanent. Example of irreversible changes are burning of wood, ripening of fruits, cutting of trees, etc. These were the main points of the chapter. Let's begin with the question answers. Question number 1. To walk through a waterlogged area, you usually shorten the length of your dress by folding it. Can this change be reversed? Answer. Yes, this change can be reversed by unfolding the dress. It is a reversible physical change. Question number 2. You accidentally dropped your favorite toy and broke it. This is a change you did not want. Can this change be reversed? Answer. No, this change cannot be reversed. This is an irreversible physical change. Question number 3. Some changes are listed in the following table. For each change, write in the blank column whether the change can be reversed or not. Answer. 1. The sawing of a piece of wood. No. Number 2. The melting of ice candy. Yes. Number 3. Dissolving sugar in water. Yes. Number 4. The cooking of food. No. Number 5. The ripening of a mango. No. Number 6. Souring of milk. No. Question number 4. A drawing sheet changes when you draw a picture on it. Can you reverse this change? Answer. If we draw a picture with the help of pencil, then we can erase the drawing easily by using an eraser, so we can reverse the change. But if we draw a picture by using colors or a pen, then we cannot erase the drawing, so we cannot reverse the change. Question number 5. Give examples to explain the difference between changes that can or cannot be reversed. Answer. Example of changes that can be reversed. Number 1. Folding of a paper is a reversible change. Paper can be unfolded to get it back. Number 2. Melting of ice is a reversible change. By freezing the water, we can obtain ice again. Number 3. Inflating a balloon is a reversible change. Balloon regains its original shape after evacuating the filled air. Examples of changes that cannot be reversed. Number 1. Making curd from milk is an irreversible change. Milk cannot be obtained back once curd is formed. Number 2. Burning of paper is an irreversible change. When a piece of paper is burned, it turns into ash. The ash cannot be turned back into the paper. Number 3. Baking a chapati is an irreversible change. If we roll out a roti or a chapati from a ball of dough and bake it on tawa, then it cannot be converted into the ball of dough again. Question number 6. A thick coating of a paste of plaster of Paris (POP) is applied over the bandage on a fractured bone. It becomes hard on drying to keep the fractured bone immobilized. Can the change in POP be reversed? Answer. No. The change in plaster of Paris (POP) cannot be reversed because on addition of water, its composition changes and it is converted into another substance, which on drying becomes hard. Since it is a chemical change, it cannot be reversed. Question number 7. A bag of cement lying in the open gets wet due to the rain during the night. The next day, the sun shines brightly. Do you think the changes which have occurred in the cement could be reversed? Answer. A bag of cement lying in the open gets wet due to rain during the night. In this case, the changes which occurred in the cement could not be reversed. This is because cement hardens up after absorbing the water and its composition changes. Since it is a chemical change, it cannot be reversed. Thanks for watching the video till end.